decided to leave. Here's a report.
It's an event that rattled the global markets and sent shockwaves through currency and commodity markets. Britain has voted to leave the European Union. The Leave campaign secured around 51.8% of the vote. The UK will be the first country to leave the bloc. The impact was immediate and swift. Sensex plunged almost 600 points in opening trade. Shares of company with exposure to UK witnessed massive selling pressure, plunging up to 13%. Shares of Tata Motors and Tata Steel tanked 12 to 10%. Heavy selling was seen across the sectors including realty, industries, metals, auto, banking, finance, capital goods, IT and power. Finance Minister Arun Jaitley was quick to quell the panic. In a statement, the Finance Minister said that our immediate, medium-term firewalls are solid in form of healthy forex reserves. As far as short-term volatility is concerned, RBI is fully prepared to deal with any eventuality. But it was a Black Friday for global markets. Stock markets worldwide went into a tizzy. Asian stocks tumbled by nearly 8%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng fell 3%, Singapore's Straits Times fell 2%, Shanghai market fell more than 1%, Japanese Nikkei 225 plummeted nearly 8% or more than 1,000 points to close at 14,952. European markets opened on a negative note with London Stock Exchange FTSE crashing by over 7%. France's benchmark index CAC 40 as well as Germany's key index DAX went nearly 8% down. Commodities also took a big hit. World oil prices dived in Asia. Crude was down by 4% and traded at $48 per barrel. Gold zoomed to 26-month high of 30,885 rupees per 10 grams in biggest single-day gain of 1,215 rupees since August 2013. It was gold's highest closing level of 30,730 rupees after April 28, 2014 in the bullion market. Silver also registered a steep rise of 1,000 rupees. The currency markets weren't spared either. The pound depreciated against most major currencies. The pound sterling crashed by over 10% to its lowest level since September 1985. Dollar gained strength while rupee also depreciated. A depreciation in rupee could hurt Indian exports by making them costlier for Britain. The rupee hit 4-month low of 68.21 against the US currency. Economic Affairs Secretary said that there is no need to panic.
We have certain strong points. Over the last several months, we have built certain firewalls to deal with such external developments and external pressures. We will continue to take necessary measures. We will continue to take structural, various reform measures to deal with the emerging challenges.
RBI Governor Raghuram Rajan said that the central bank is prepared for any eventuality and will intervene in the currency market when necessary. He said that the Indian economy has good fundamentals, low short-term external debt, and sizable foreign reserves. India is the third largest investor in Britain. India's bilateral trade with Britain is worth over $14.02 billion in financial year 15-16. There are an estimated 800 Indian-owned businesses in the UK employing more than 1 lakh people. The UK is one of the most globalized economies in the world. UK economy makes up 4% of the world GDP. The size of London's economy makes it the largest city by GDP in Europe. The most expensive divorce in history is finally a reality. Great Britain has decided to leave the European Union. Here in India, Finance Ministry officials have assured that there is no need to worry. But globally, ramifications could be huge, both geostrategically and economically. With camera person Surendra, Sudhan Sibbal, DD News, New Delhi.
The MEA has responded to